Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on XRP USD. We are squeezing, guys, and it looks to be, it looks almost that XRP is unstoppable here. But don't forget, guys, every time when we see these kind of squeezes here without any kind of resistance, then it is very, very possible that we come the same way back down. Lock in your profits, You have to do what you want to do, guys. Yeah, we have here a squeeze from more than 500% or almost 500% here since the, temporary bottom was in for XRP. And I give you now here my prediction based on the chart and let you know the maybe next price levels if the squeeze is still ongoing or not. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. Yo guys, so where we are, we have to check here. I made some measurements for you after my last video here. I will show you my drawings here for a second. We have this trend channel pattern here. Let's switch off the indicator. So we have this trend channel pattern here, which is controlling the price, which is usually controlling the squeezes here for XRP. And especially here in the weekly chart, XRP could not stay over this price level here, besides the first squeeze which we had here in 2017. After that, every attempt where we tried to break out here of this white trend channel line failed, guys. But now that looks super bullish, because you can see that XRP bounced back from here. That's why I also released my video here and I said, hey guys, this is the make it or break it chance right now to see a squeeze. And now we know that XRP squeezed here over 500% overall. To give you a very quick recap, we have here a very bullish pattern. Of course, the price can go down massively. We had the same situation here where we had a price drop here from $3.30 all the way back down here to 11 cents, guys. Yeah, this is possible. Those people or those institutions who make these price actions, guys, be very careful. They can do it to either side. So when they push the price like that, they can also drop the price in the same way. Be very careful. Yeah, it was the same here. I can just tell you, lock in your profits if you are profitable right now. Yeah, this is not financial advice, but every time when you think, now it goes to $5, $10 or whatever, then the market makers step in. This is what they want. They want to get your emotions. They want to get your hope, and then they start to dump the price. So guys, blah, blah, blah. This is not interesting for you. The market is super bullish right now. I give you here the price levels for XRP. It is not only XRP what is squeezing, guys. We have a lot of squeezes in the market. While I'm recording this video here right now, also one of my hot stocks is squeezing 190% in one day. I always release here on Sunday my so-called hot stocks videos. Yeah, if you're also into stock trading, guys, I also present here very special short squeeze stocks with a high chance to short squeeze here. And when I release those videos on Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. Last week I had 2 short squeezes from 3 tickers, and this week our first squeeze started here from my hot stocks, 190%, as I said, while I'm recording this video here. And also yesterday, one of my swing trade alert tickers, which I also show here on Patreon, squeezed also 185%. So it's not only XRP, guys. I'm happy for everybody who is here very profitable right now. But if you also want to see here some special short squeeze stocks, then you can of course join in our trading community. We're growing every day, guys. Every day new members joining in, and the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here. It doesn't matter if you're a crypto or stock trader, everybody is welcome. If you also want to join in on see those hidden short squeeze stocks, then you can click here the info icon in the corner and you get access to my Patreon member link. So guys, now I unveil the price levels for XRP to the upside. Before we talk also about the bear case, that we maybe come down, we have to talk first about the squeeze scenario, that we're still going higher. And then I made a Fibonacci retracement here for you. And these are the price levels here to the upside for XRP. If you think that is not predictable, guys, trading is everything based on algo. So every price goal more or less is possible to calculate. I made a Fibonacci retracement here from the last move, the last significant move which I saw here in the chart, and then you can see, guys, this was the price level here which I calculated based on this move here, $2.83. And when we see what the actual squeeze did, then you can see we hit this price level here and had immediately a sell-off reaction. This is of course not a sell-off reaction, this is now a weekly chart, but when we see how many percentage we lost from this top here Then we had a price drop in total of 25%. This is an absolute normal pullback, guys, especially when you have here a squeeze of 500% or even more. Then it is absolute normal here. When we see the bottom here from July, guys, we squeezed even over 660%. Incredible. But be careful, guys. So let's talk about the bull case. Yeah, the 1618 retracement here is a very, very significant resistance. If we can pump over this price level here, over $2.83, then guys, these are the next price levels for XRP. This is something like an in-between price level. I would not focus too much on $3.64, but it is possible that we see $4.23 and even $5.63, guys. These are the next two price goals here for XRP. The 2.2 level is, as I said, not that important, but the main resistance which we have right now is $2.83. And when we now check here where the previous squeeze went to, you can also see that that was just a candle wick here. So that was not a full candle body which hit this price level. We had a candle wick with a sell-off reaction. So the market makers somehow have some problems here to close a price above $2.83. Also here in our 2017-2018 squeeze, there was no weekly candle over this price code. So be aware of that. Yeah, the main liquidity zone for the short sellers is waiting here in this red box. So be careful. If we get rejected here, if we see a sell-off incoming, the market makers, the bearish market makers, will try to bring the price back down below, guys, below this red box, and that means they want to bring the price below $1.65. This is not to scare you guys. I just give you here my honest opinion based on the chart. Yeah, this is not my rules here, but this is what the chart is telling us. When we see what happened here in the past, and when we zoom out a little bit, we always had these kind of squeeze attempts here, but you can see the market makers immediately brought the price back down below $1.65. So this is this red box here, and you can see here was an attempt to go back in the box, here was an attempt to go back, here was an attempt, and we failed every time. And the reaction was here a massive sell-off candle here in 1 week. XRP lost in total here. We had a price action in 1 week in total of minus 62% in just 1 week. So be careful, don't be too greedy. This is everything what I can tell you. Same here. We had this incredible squeeze in 2017, an absolute violent, massive squeeze. But when you see straight lines to the upside, we often come back down in the same fashion here. And you can also see that we could just build one candle over this liquidity zone here, one green candle, and then immediately the sell-off kicked in and they brought us back below $1.65. So I don't want to give you here too many price levels, don't want to confuse you, but for now I would say everything when we can come back over $2.83, that would be very super bullish. If we fail, guys, if we cannot go back over $2.83, in my opinion, the market makers, the bearish market makers, they will bring the price back below $1.65, and then I think we end somewhere here at the bottom of the trend channel. But I will do an update video on that as soon as this price action happens. And of course, I don't hope that for everybody who is still here invested in XRP. Okay, guys, so I give you again here the price levels to the upside, because if you want, you can of course copy the price levels here from my chart. This is the Fibonacci retracement which I did here. And $2.83 is, let's call it, the lowest up price level. Then $3.64 is something like a snack. And the next price level would be $4.23 and $5.63. And an absolute best case scenario in a perfect world, even $7, guys, would be possible for XRP based on the calculation on this Fibonacci retracement. And keep in mind, $1.65 is the price goal to the downside from the bearish market makers. If you want to copy the price levels here, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is my program which I use for all my videos and of course for all my own trades since many years, and I highly recommend that, guys. If you don't have TradingView yet, I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. This is also what I recommend. The premium tier is the best tier for TradingView, which gives you the most benefit and the most value for your money. And when you want to get TradingView, guys, you can click also here the info icon in the corner. Then you can get access to my special $15 discount link. So my friends, that was my update on XRP. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget here to check out the squeezing hot stocks available right now. And yeah, being that said, I wish you great success with XRP. And if you don't want to miss any updates, if you like this content here, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would appreciate that. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.